Yo, the killer run from Queenie, yo. The queen meet the killer, you see it. Wagwan wanna dip and welcome forward to Sandy and Bones TV. I don't know where I keep an update with Wagwan street with Queenie, you see it. Yeah, man, you don't know Queenie go party the other night with RT and you don't know that in the morning she book a killer, you see it. But the killer move like you never want to meet the queen, still I cannot take when say smartly, you see it. But you don't know. You know, so you can't disrespect the queen, so you just stand up and just give the queen a hug up and thing, you see it? So we go forward and make on hear what I go on and see what I go on, you see it?
Fucking queen fight! One father killer, baby. One father God. One father God. And no killer never let. Yeah. Yeah. One price. Yeah, man, I want you. One father killer.
I feel like us as people need to know the difference between comedian and an entertainer, because obviously we're getting the word mixed up. Now, I was looking at comedian of the year. I'm very late on this topic, but I had to speak about it. And I saw that Swissley won comedian of the year. No, it's no hard feelings to Swissley, no ill feelings or nothing. He's very entertaining, but do I look at him as a comedian? No, I do not. He's an entertainer, he's an influencer, but he's not a comedian. No, y'all need to stop picking people because of popularity. And we need to start choosing people for talent. For talent. Envy, talented. And what I like about Envy is that when he puts something in a skit, it just reminds you of Jamaica. It reminds you of home. You see it. I don't know how Swissley won, but me know say because of popularity why I'm winning. Me not ask Christ. Me know that.